Hanging out at Racewire's headquarters. Man, Goofer, head of security. T-Bomb coming at you. See what we got here. Redeye, all finished up. Back here at the trunk. Give you a little tour back here while we're here. Cool bulkheads coming through the firewall, speed wire. Dual battery setup. Super clean, all the carbon. Got a little light up here so my man can see. Fill his fuel. Come around the side. We have a few things to tidy up yet. Velcro some things up behind the dash. Just got done testing everything. A little bit going on in here. Holley EFI on board. Race pack smart wire. Speed wire. A little bit of race pack. Come around front. I mean, if you don't have exhaust like that, I don't know what you're doing. Not much, I'll tell you that. Up front here, big hair dryers. Bulkhead connectors forever. See them all down in there. Looking fresh. Bulkheads are chassis, engine, injectors, coils, wideband, race pack. No grommets in the firewall. Got the ejector connector swapped over for man boy injectors. Get rid of these small ones later time. Come over to this side. Got some cool headlights. We'll turn them all on. Why don't we do that? Reach up in here. We have a cool switch panel and everything going on. Here's the main power. Turns the cam pad on. Gets the party started. Sweet wheel. We did a Racewire Technologies hub. Houses all the trans brake switches and all the wheel switches inside this here hub. One cable comes out to a Deutsch. We have a huge TV screen. Some more bulkheads. Look at that. Bulkheads in the trans. We'll get all this stuff tidied up here and up behind the dash, but you get the idea. Pretty clean. Now let's turn some stuff on. You know, we'll start with some dome light. Oh. Oh. Nothing's more satisfying, for whatever reason. All these race car gadgets, and we just love power windows. So satisfying. We have park. It's just a park. Some headlights, undercar lighting. My man Jim's got some lights going on up here. Here the HID's coming on. Look at that. He has an app on his phone so he can make the colors dance. When he turns the music on, they'll just disco. It'll look pretty rad nighttime, all lit up red. Come to the back. See some markers. See underneath. Got a nice little Plimpton. And that guy just hanging out there. My man Nate Snoop just killing install. Speed wire kill. front and rear kill. They both have to be on for the main power to be on. That way the driver, Jim, can just reach up. He's in trouble. Reach up there and smack the kill switch off, and it kills the power to the car. Up top, let's flip some ignition. Get some Holly going on. Let's see what we got here. Get out of this. There we go. Now you can see some stuff going on. Pretty awesome. Big job. Completely rewired the entire thing from scratch. All harnesses are hand built, Tefsel DR25. Every crimp, everything in-house, race wires. Racewires.com for tech support, product that we install, we sell. All that nature. You can get at me if you need anything. Enjoy. Pretty sick. Peace.